Donna, what was it like when Peter came to you and says, I would like to do a live radio remote?
I was so excited about this. I think I love having these women of today who have impacted their communities right here in an exhibit that is looking at 4 centuries of women's experience. So we're grateful to Tiny and Sons for sponsoring it, but also really I think women's history sometimes gets treated a little differently. People think, oh gosh, why should I be interested in that? Well, Peter, I think your comment about thinking about how it made you think about your mother, women's history is everybody's history.
That's
because
right.
Guess what? Every single one of us connects to women in our lives in every way, whether that be through family, whether that be through our workplaces, whether it be through our education, our communities, in every way. And looking back at the history of early Plymouth, there are early records that suggest that the English settlers who came here also recognized that women were essential to the formation of a colony here. This makes us a little bit different than other places in the world because this was settled by families, and women and kids were part of the story.
Back in 2014, when Michael Brown was killed, there was so much heat in Ferguson. There was so many protests in Ferguson, and it was so focused on Ferguson. And ever since George Floyd's murder, it seems like these demonstrations have exploded all over the country and all over the world. What's different? Why don't we start with you, Kim? Why do you think it's different now?
I think that we are just exhausted and tired and sick of it. And I think the video was so, I don't even know the word to use to describe it. It was just so it was so graphic. And so I don't think I've ever watched somebody murdered from beginning to end. He was so cavalier about it. And I think it was just infuriating and heartbreaking all at the same time. And I just feel like everybody just looked at that and thought, oh my God. And it was almost a perfect storm because we're in a pandemic, so there were no distractions. Nobody could focus on anything else, like going to work or anything. You just had to sit there and take that in. And I just feel like globally people were disgusted and sick of it and just finished.